This week, I have got a super simple Mexican street corn recipe. So if you are interested in that, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. And if you're new here, my name is Pamela and I like to share deliciously easy plant-based recipes. So if you like videos like that, be sure to click that little red subscribe button down below along with the notification icon so you don't miss any of my videos. All right, let's go ahead and jump into this week's recipe. This week's recipe is a super simple Mexican street corn recipe. Now, this is definitely not an authentic Mexican street corn recipe by any means. This is my take on it, and it is so simple that you can even do it on a weeknight. It's also lower in fat since it doesn't use the traditional mayonnaise or cream or anything like that. It actually uses the homemade yogurt that I have made in a previous video. I will put a link to that right up here along with a link down in the description box if you haven't already seen that video. And let's go ahead and jump right in. To start off with, I am going to cook the corn in my Instant Pot. I'm just going to put the rack that came with my Instant Pot down in the liner and put about a cup of water in. And I normally fill up my Instant Pot with about 12 of these little ears of corn that I get in the frozen section at my grocery store. But I'm just making a little afternoon snack for me and my kids. So I'm just going to put in 4 ears. And like I said, these are frozen. I get them in 24 packs. They're super convenient. So I'm just putting 4 in, and I'm going to put my lid on, and I'm going to set the vent to sealing versus venting. So put that on, set it to locked. And then I'm going to do the manual function, high pressure, and I'm going to set it to 3 minutes. I want to make sure that since these are frozen, that they're heated all the way through. I could probably even do a little bit less, but I just want to make sure they're heated all the way through. Then for the sauce, I'm going to do yogurt, smoked paprika, chili powder, garlic powder, cumin, cayenne pepper, and salt to taste. I'm going to go ahead and mix that all up, get everything combined nice and thoroughly. And then I'm using a little silicone brush, and I'm going to brush that all over my corn that is now out of the Instant Pot, and it's pretty hot, so be careful. And I'm just going to brush that all over each ear of corn individually. And then I've got some homemade Parmesan cheese there. It's vegan, and some cilantro. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the Parmesan cheese on each ear along with some cilantro on each ear of corn, and make sure each one is nice and covered with each of those. And then this is what the finished product looks like. There you go. There's some Mexican street corn, nice and easy. All right. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Now, my footage for one of the ingredients was lost, and that is the lime. So you squeeze a little bit of lime juice on top of the corn at the very end. And actually, you can also put it into the yogurt mixture at the beginning if you want to kind of thin that out and make that go further. So it's up to you, wherever you want to put that. But I will put that in the ingredients down below so that you won't forget that little part since it's not in the video footage. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and click that little red subscribe button if you haven't already done that, and I'll see you next time.